What's up, everybody? Master Duels here today, and I finally got my Lightning Overdrive booster box. Due to work scheduling, I couldn't go to my local game shop to get this, but I did buy it off a friend from there who gave me a pretty decent deal for it. This set brings in Amazement, Rose Dragon support, Utopia support. Can't remember what all else is featured in this. Main thing I would like is another Bear Brum. A Starlight Black Rose would be pretty cool. I'm a fan of 5Ds. Synchros in general. Start this off, I just want to show my luck from my last opening. Bought some loose packs from Walmart and got 2 Dark Honest and a Mubeta Fafnir. So let's see if we can top that today. Can we get a Starlight? Let's see what we got. Can't get this to focus. Let's see, S Force Dog Tag. Can I turn this off mid-recording? Yes, I can. Cool. Sky Scourge Citadels. Oh, starting off with an ultra rare Tri-Brigade Vesiculo. We'll just go with that. I've got a friend who still plays Tri-Brigade, I think. Set this out for him. So you got Armed Sage, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Hidden Springs of the Far East, and a Maze Attraction Wonder Wheel. I'm going to go across because I'm not sure how mapping works, but if this is correct, then this one would also be an Ultra. And there's a really cute looking reptile too. Spriggan's Brothers, Judgment of the Branded, Scrap Raptor. Okay, cool, that's not how it works. I don't know how to map boxes, and that's honestly a good thing. Dark Infant Adignister. I will try to keep it fast. Got some Starry Nights that came out in Ghosts from the Past. Okay, first Secret Rare. Warrock Meteoragon. Not gonna lie, I'm on that train that's not as hype, but maybe they'll get my interest. Who knows? The card does look cool to say the least. What else we can get? Let's see, Zex Weapon Dragonic Halberd. I'm pretty sure that's what ZW stands for. Zexo Entrust. See, Zexo Alliance. The Amazement Precious Park. And I honestly wasn't too big on Zexo when it came out in regards to the animated series. I did stick around for a little bit, but I generally lost interest. It was fun to watch, though. We'll give it that. It wasn't terrible from where I left off. Just not super into Zexo-themed things. See, Thrawn the Disciplined Angel. This could possibly do something with Fluffles, but I'm just not sure I can make space for it. I'm definitely thinking of it, though. See, a Spriggan's Merrymaker. What do you do? I like the rank 8. What does the rank 4 do? Let's see. On personal information attack. Send Spriggans from deck to graveyard. Opponent's man or battle. Bench damage. Material. Send a fusion. Okay, so it has to do with the. It's what links Spriggans with Fallen of Albaz and I think Dogmatica? I'm not sure. I do like the story where Fallen of Albaz is just linking with all these archetypes one way or another. Let's see, Senevolons also debuted TCG and Ghost from the Past. Ada the Sun Magician. Let's see. No. I want to do bluffs with that now. We have enough ways to search them and draw cards. I'm still pretty sad in the idea that the main ones are the water ones now, being dolphin, penguin, and kind of octopus. Alright, another S-Force Chase for our ultra rare. I think I have 2 of these now. I have majority of the S-Force core, I'm just not sure what to do with it. Haven't really sat down and figured out what they do. All I know they mess with columns like Mech Knights. Let's see, Bujin Torafune. Was this the one that's supposed to be Stratos? I don't remember. And rank up Magic Zexal Force. That's a really cool looking card. Right, almost through half the box. Alright, there's our second secret rare, Book of Lunar Eclipse. A pretty cool secret rare, honestly. I'll keep tabs on that one. Those may be the highlights of this video, honestly. Now let's see if we just get that Starlight rare. Go and see what we got so far. Let's see what else we can get. Line of the Light Charmer Lustrous. I think all we're missing is Dark now. Last put aside. Ruddy Rose Witch. Yeah, apparently that's English slang, not European slang for blood or bloody. So I have a friend who really wanted the Bloody Rose Dragon, so now I tease him and call it British Rose Dragon. All that matters is that it makes me giggle. Another Lina. Let's see, what are some other cool ultras we get out of this? Another Mysterion, I got 2 of those already. And Brothers. S-Force Edge Razor. Okay, here's our third ultra rare. Riliona, the Wondrous Magistus Witch Wardrobe. Pretty neat. Haven't seen Barabrom. I just need... I'm not even sure I need 2 Barabrom, but that's what I'm looking at. Is 2 Barabrom. And there's our, what I'm assuming is our last ultra rare, Mysterion the Dragon Crown. I'm honestly a fan of this card. It looks really cool. I'm not sure what it could come up in, but I like it. I like the idea behind it. Rox Rose Dragon. What we got left? Down to 5 packs. Now, in my experience, I can still get a Starlight. Like, was it 3 boxes? Yeah, all 3 times I got a Starlight rare. I got my normal 2 Secrets 4 Ultras and still got a Starlight. So the game's not over yet. Chances are low, but I'm still holding out hope. That's why I open my packs this way, to avoid spoilers. There's my Barabrom. There we go. Now I've got 2. Warrock Spirit. Wait, is that? Yeah, that's 5 ultra rares. Okay. Warrock Dignity for a 5th ultra rare. Alright, down to the last pack. It's gonna get even weirder with a Starlight rare. Let's find out. The answer is no. Stay Sailor Romarin. What do you do? Plants. Nope. Alright, well that's gonna do it for this box opening. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Not sure what I expect for next time, honestly. I'm not too keen on going in on another box of Lightning Overdrive so soon, but I might pick up a handful of packs here and there. But that being said, with pre-orders coming in soon, I might go for saving up sales funds to go for older product. I'm looking at Cross Souls or Clash of Rebellions. Those have been really good to me. I'm not really sure what else, but mainly looking at those two. Maybe Return of the Duelist, one of the old Zexal era sets. I would love to get something like Raging Battle or something else 5Ds, but it's gotten so expensive now. And for the Pokemon opening fans, my Elite Trainer boxes for Chilling Range are on the way. I've got a tracking number from my seller, and it's estimated to be here Tuesday, June 15th. I wanted to hope it gets here by Monday, because that's just what tends to happen with tracking, but who knows. Says Tuesday, I'm hoping Monday, could be here Wednesday. But I'm looking forward to cracking that open and see what beautiful shiny card we can get out of that. But for now, again, thank you all for watching, and Master of Duels out.